Hi, I'm Michael Flores. I'm here at Physical Therapy Connections. I'm here just to let you know that I am hosting a workshop on May 3rd, 5 o'clock. I'm going to be talking about shoulder pain, shoulder problems, shoulder injury, shoulder weakness, everything you need to know about your shoulder and how to make it feel better. Our spaces are limited. I only want to see 5 people at a time for this. I believe 2 people have already signed up for it, so you still have time, but don't wait because they fill up pretty quickly. I do like to have just this more small setting environment, just because I like to get just a little more personal with the people that I get to see. I get to share your stories and see how else I can help you out. So again, it's only 5 people are allowed for this first workshop that I'm hosting. Again, it's May 3rd, 5 o'clock. One of the things I'll be going over with you are the do's and don'ts for your shoulder. So definitely you don't want to miss out on that. And the other thing I want to go over is, and here's just a quick teaser here. It's one of the ways that we help with posture. So this is one of the things that I like to do. And the reason that I do this is for a lot of people, when they think of posture, they think of, okay, I'm going to stand like this all day long. That's not going to work. Even if I stand like this, I don't have any pain, problems, weakness, injuries. But if I stand like this for even an hour, I'm going to get sore, tired, I'm going to get knots, my shoulders are going to feel so tight. And that's the same thing. If I stand like this all day or sit like this all day, same thing. So a lot of people think, oh, this is bad posture, right? Technically. Well, this is just as bad if you stand like this for an hour or even longer. So what you really want to do is you want to move through both ranges, the good and the bad, and this is one way that you can do it. And I'll go over other techniques, a lot of fast-acting techniques that you can do at home to get yourself better. Again, on May 3rd, 5 o'clock, please call in and sign up. Thank you.